Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video we are going to show you how to make an airfoil with the perfect data. So let's get started. So first you have to open your Chrome and type airfoilstool.com, where you can find many types of airfoils, and you can search by text, you can search by thickness, and you can search by camber and chord length on all. And also there are some types of series of it, so you can search by series as well. If I want to say NACA 7 series, so you can just click on it, and also you can sort by the CDCL graphs, where you can select the particular for Reynolds number and all. So I will choose the random airfoil. So let's say I have to select this airfoil 2414. So I will select the source data file right here. I will get the data of it. They have different XY coordinates I will get. So what will I do? I will copy this data into my Excel. Now go to the Excel and you can paste the data on this. Yes, so you can see that this data is in the one column only, and I will delete the first column, and now select the data, and I will go to the data, then text to columns. Yes, I will keep this next, and I will keep these delimiters by space, because there is a space between two coordinates, so it will directly separate two datas, the x and y. Okay, I will click it next. Okay, then I will finish it. So you can see that there is a b and c, so my x and y coordinates. So I will select this, and okay, so I will cut this data into my a, and I will cut this data into B. And for the Z coordinates, I will keep it as 0, because I want to plot it in a two-dimensional. So I will keep it the Z direction 0, and I will save it as an text file on my desktop. And here you go, text tab limited, and I will select the airfoil data, save. Okay, make sure you have to close the Excel file, otherwise it will not work. So what will I do now? I will select the new part, go to the insert, curve, and curve through XYZ point. Now I will select the browse, and I will select the particular text file for it. Like I have selected the airfoil data. Okay, here you can see my coordinates are properly plotted over here. You can check those data and you can make the change as well. I will click OK. Yes, my airfoil is ready now. But you can see that there is an opening at the trailing edge. And for that, I will sketch this airfoil and I will convert the entity. And now I will close this body. You can keep the tangent relation between these curves. You can do that. And I will extrude it. Yes. So that's how you can model the airfoil by the perfect data. So thank you for watching. Keep sharing.